Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best EduBlocks is probably one of the most effective educational toys for children aged 3 to 6, seamlessly blending fun and learning to foster their cognitive, social, and emotional development. It's designed to stimulate creativity and problem-solving skills through interactive play, making learning an enjoyable experience rather than a chore. This video will explore its features, benefits, and overall value, helping you decide if it's the right fit for your child's educational journey. Number 5. HABA Busy Board Magnetic Maze. It's designed for toddlers aged 3 to 5, making it the perfect age-appropriate activity for hands-on learning. It's engaging and fun, keeping little ones entertained for hours. It's a durable and engaging toy perfect for road trips or any time you need a quiet activity. This magnetic maze is a great way to keep your toddler entertained on the go. This interactive toy promotes learning and helps develop fine motor skills. The magnetic maze offers hours of engaging play and screen-free fun. It's a fantastic travel game for toddlers, providing captivating activities they'll love. The tethered magnetic wand stores easily on the side of the board. It's one of the top toddler travel toys, offering captivating puzzles and screen-free fun. It's compact and measures 10 by 8.75 inches, making it perfect for travel. What we like? It's compact and easy to carry, perfect for keeping your little one entertained on the go. The magnetic pieces are fun and safe for small hands. If you're looking for a quiet activity to keep your toddler busy during travel, this is the perfect choice. What people say. A wonderful, sturdy, motor intelligence skill-building toy for preschool toddlers. It is in the realm of Maria Montessori. Easy to use. My 2-year-old grandson liked this toy right away. He was able to understand how to use it, and the magnets were strong enough so that he wasn't immediately frustrated. The overall size is perfect for him and it may be a good car toy as well. It seems sturdy and I like that he will be using fine motor skills and problem solving as he plays with it. Love this tool. It's a fun switch up to classic puzzles and travels great. Number 4. Botley the Coding Robot. It helps your child learn early STEM skills while playing and having fun. It teaches kids to code with active, screen-free play that's perfect for promoting critical thinking and problem-solving skills. It's ready to code right out of the box. Just add batteries and a screwdriver, and your child can start coding in minutes. Get ready for code games, creativity, and fun. It features completely screen-free coding. No phone or tablet is required. It's easy to use. Remote programmer sends commands and gets it rolling. Coding for kids has never been easier. It can detect objects, avoid them, follow looping commands, and navigate obstacle courses. It even has hidden features to unlock. It comes with a remote programmer, detachable robot arms, coding cards, tiles, obstacle pieces, and a starter guide with coding challenges. There's so much to explore. What we like? It's a screen-free way to introduce your child to the world of coding. It's designed to build problem-solving skills and encourage creativity. If you want to foster your child's interest in STEM in a fun and engaging way, this is it. What people say. The set includes such a nice variety of pieces. You can use the 12 cubes and 8 rods to construct a maze that Botley can then be programmed to run through. The child lays out the coding cards and then follows the coding cards one by one while they enter the code into Botley. Then they watch him to make sure that the code they entered follows their desired pathway. The remote beeps and lights up to indicate that the button was pushed when coding, which is very helpful. Comes with a set of cards so kids can put the moves in order to help with the coding. Booklet has 10 coding activities, in increasing difficulty, to get kids started on coding. Number 3. GeoSafari Junior Talking Microscope. It's designed for kids to explore nature, outer space, and science up close. Get ready for an amazing adventure. With high-quality images and Bindi Irwin's guidance, it will expand your knowledge of animals and plants. It's a fun and educational experience. It's a real scientific toy that's easy to use and fun to learn with. It makes science accessible and engaging for young children. It includes 60 full-color images and 2 play modes, fact mode and quiz mode. Learning is both fun and educational. It's the perfect gift for the holiday season. It's a great way to introduce children to the wonders of science. What we like? It features the voice of Bindi Irwin, making learning about animals and plants fun and educational. It's easy to use and perfect for sparking a child's curiosity about science. If you are looking for an interactive and educational microscope for your preschooler, this is a great option. What people say. Lots to learn and do with this one item. The buttons are easy to use, large. The cards are easy to use, slide in and out. Lightweight. Batteries do last in this toy. The weight was just right and the product was built to last. Eli wanted to know more about each of the slides. It keeps her attention and gives great bite-sized info and facts about each thing. Each slide has 3 version stages of the theme or item, i.e., dandelion, butterfly, housefly, blood cells. Bindi gives info and facts about each of the 3 images across the slide as the slide is moved to each image. Number 2. Wooden magnetic fishing game. It includes a sorting box, fishing rods, and colorful fish. It's a fun way for kids to learn letters, numbers, and colors. Made from safe, solid wood with smooth edges and non-toxic paint. It's perfect for toddlers aged 2 to 4. This game helps develop hand-eye coordination, creativity, and motor skills. Kids can play for hours, learning while having fun. It's a matching game, a puzzle, and a counting game all in one. Children can learn alphanumeric words and improve their math skills. It's perfect for parent-child bonding time or playtime with friends. See who can catch the most fish and win the game. This beautifully packaged game makes a wonderful gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's suitable for home, school, or preschool. What we like. It combines learning letters, numbers, and colors with a fun fishing game. It's made of high-quality, safe wood. If you're looking for a fun and educational toy that will keep your child entertained for hours, this is a great choice. What people say. Cute. Simple. Well made. They are good quality and colorful and look like they will last a while. They are very colorful, kinda chunky puzzle pieces which makes it easy for her to hold in her hand. They are very good quality made. Number 1. Toddler magnetic blocks. These magnetic blocks help kids learn colors, shapes, and counting. They're strong magnets and the colors are vibrant, making learning fun for children aged 3 and up. Made from non-toxic materials, these toys are safe for toddlers. The smooth, large pieces are easy for little hands to grip and prevent accidental swallowing. They're great for developing fine motor skills and spatial awareness in younger children. Older kids can build complex structures and explore geometry. These are perfect for family time or classroom activities. They encourage collaboration and create opportunities for shared fun and learning. It transforms learning into play, sparking curiosity. They make an excellent gift for birthdays or any special occasion for kids aged 3 to 6. What we like. It features strong magnets and vibrant colors, allowing for creative building and problem solving. It's made from safe, high-quality materials. If you want to encourage your child's creativity and STEM skills, this is a great option. What people say. My 6-year-old grandson plays with this often. It's like a full-sized building set for making real forts. Fun for and 4 years old. Kept very focused. Colorful. Toddler loves them, easy to use and magnets are stronger than I thought they would be. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.